Number 6, a square minus b to the power minus 2 whole to the power a times a minus b to the power minus 1 whole to the power b minus a. Divide b square minus a to the power minus 2 whole to the power b times b plus a to the power minus 1 whole to the power a minus b. So this is looking some ridiculous, right? So how can we solve this one? We have to prove this one step by step. First, here a square minus this b to the power minus 2, we can write b to the power minus 1 and square, right? So we can use here second bracket and also here second bracket and to the power a, and this one will be unchanged. It means a minus b to the power minus 1 whole to the power b minus a. Similar thing, here is b square minus this a to the power minus 2, we can write a to the power minus 1 square and whole to the power b, and next one is similar. It means b plus a minus a to the power minus 1 to the power a minus b will be unchanged. Now interesting thing, here is a square and here is b square, right? So this one we can write a plus b to the power minus 1 and again a minus b to the power minus 1, right? And whole to the power a, and here is a minus b to the power minus 1 to the power b minus a. So numerator down, denominator also similar thing. Here is b plus a to the power minus 1 times b minus a to the power minus 1 and whole to the power b, and times here is b plus a to the power minus 1 whole to the power a minus b. Okay, now we know one thing, like a b to the power m, we can write a to the power m times b to the power m is a similar thing. So same thing, here we can write a plus b to the power minus 1 to the power a, same a to the power a minus b to the power minus 1 to the power a, and here is a minus b to the power minus 1 to the power b minus a. In denominator also same thing, b plus a to the power minus 1 to the power b times b minus a to the power minus 1 to the power b, and times b plus a to the power minus 1 to the power a minus b. Very simple. Okay, then here is a plus b to the power minus 1, and here is a to the power b to the a minus b to the power minus 1, and here a minus b to the power minus 1. So look, these are similar, right? So in this case, now this one we can write, here is a plus b to the power minus 1 to the power a, and here a minus b to the power minus 1 to the power here a plus b minus a. And look, here b plus a to the power minus 1 to the power b, and here is b plus a to the power minus 1 a minus b. So b plus a minus 1 is a base. So this case we can write b minus a to the power minus 1 to the power b. It means this one will be unchanged, and here b plus a minus 1 to the power here is b and plus a minus b, because we know a to the power m times a to the power n, it means a to the power m plus n, right? So what we get in here, a plus b to the power minus 1 to the power a, and here a minus b to the power minus 1 to the power b, because a and minus a out. Same thing, b minus a to the power minus 1 to the power b, and here is b plus a to the power minus 1, and here b and minus b out to the power a, right? So now we can write like a plus b to the power minus 1, it means a here is plus 1 by b to the power a, and here a minus 1 by b to the power what? B. In denominator, here is b minus 1 by a, it means this one to the power b times b plus 1 by a to the power a. Okay, so these kinds of thing you should carefully handle, otherwise possibility to become mistake. So here is b, so ab plus 1 to the power a, and here ab minus 1 to the power b to the, and ab minus 1 by b to the power b, okay, and here ab minus 1 by a to the power b, and here is ab plus 1 by a to the power a, okay. So till everything is clear. Now this portion we have to turn over next page. Now one by one we should do one thing, like ab plus 1 to the power a, and here b to the power a, we can write times. Similar thing, ab minus 1 to the power b divide b to the power b, right? Next, here ab minus 1 to the power b divide a to the power b times here ab plus 1 here to the power a and a to the power a, okay. So here is numerator and denominator. We know once numerator is fraction and denominator is fraction, so denominator fraction will be flip. So this case we can write ab plus 1 to the power a by b to the power a times ab minus 1 to the power b divide b to the power b times this a to the power b will be go numerator, and ab minus 1 to the power b will be denominator, and similar thing a to the power a will be go numerator, and ab plus 1 to the power a will become denominator, right? Now have any similarity? Look, here is ab plus 1 and here is ab plus 1, so we can write this one what? We can write this one like a b plus 1 to the power a minus a times here is AB minus 1, AB minus 1, AB minus 1 and B minus B, right, times here is what, a to the power B, and here is B to the, in denominator has, like we can see here is a to the power B and here is a to the power A. We can write a to the power A plus B times, in denominator here 1 by B and B, it will be B A plus B, okay, and A and minus A, it will be 0, so A B plus 1 to the power 0 times, similar thing A B minus 1 to the power 0 times, this one is A plus B and B to the power A plus B, right, and look, AB plus to the power 0, it means 1 times 1, also similar thing, times this one we can write A by B to the power A plus B. So our answer is A by B to the power A plus B. Very simple. Okay, so it's looking big, right? It's not small math, so you have to careful about this one. So if you face these kinds of math but you have option to solve another math, you should solve that one. This one is very easy, but you have to keep more concentration, and also these kinds of math need long time. So if you handle this one, you can solve this one. Anyway, no more today. Thank you very much being with me. I'm trying to solve all math 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by several part. Everything you will get in the playlist, and please subscribe my channel, which is SadX, and don't forget subscribe with others. Thank you.